Hey, everybody. So I am starting this journey to try to encourage other women, particularly, to learn how to code in Python and R, basically to learn some skills in data science and data analytics. I started a PhD program in 2019, and shortly after started my involvement with a large National Science Foundation research project that's focused on data science and data analytics here in Arkansas. And along the way, I have picked up a lot of new skills and, been dealing with a lot of the same pressures that other women, particularly in professional roles, are facing. I'm very interested to learn new things, and particularly artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I find myself in classes where I'm often the only female, or certainly the oldest female, full of students who took the traditional educational path who are much younger than me. So I got my bachelor's degree in 2011, and that was after having dropped out of college for 2 years. So I graduated high school in 2004, got my bachelor's degree in biology in 2011. And now hopefully going to graduate with my PhD in molecular biosciences in May of 2023. So, I really just wanted to provide some encouragement and support, like I said, particularly to girls and women out there who are thinking about pursuing higher education or additional educational opportunities, or if you're interested in learning to code and it just seems a little overwhelming and you're looking for some extra resources or some motivation or some encouragement, I hope that you can find that here. So I'm going to be posting a series of videos and working through some Python code and some R code that I've put together over the past few years. I'm going to try to do it in little snippets, so the videos aren't super long, but they'll be connected in a series. And, I hope that this is helpful for someone, anyone. And, definitely it takes a lot of practice and it takes time to get good at these things. All those coding boot camps and stuff like that, most of those ended up failing because it's really hard to teach someone a foreign language. I mean, basically, you're learning a foreign language and you're also learning new spatial relationships and analytical skills and mathematical operations that you might not be super familiar with. And it's been a real challenge for me in dealing with imposter syndrome and, like I said, often being the only female or the oldest female and not having a computer science background. It has been a challenge. And so I'm hoping that this will help others get through that challenge and get interested and beef up your skills. And anyway, I'd love to hear feedback and hope that this will be helpful for someone.